Hello, welcome to the channel viewers. Tenerife Tez and the island of Tenerife, just outside the Shamrock. I'll show you over there, and the drop-in and the Kong bar stroke monkey bar just here as well. I'm going to take a walk. It's approximately 1 o'clock, and let's see what we can find today. Drop in, do nice breakfast and such like, so if you're in this area, maybe that's one that you can try out and give a go. Same as I say, there's a Kong bar. So what do you think of that? Have you been there? And used to get 3 wise monkeys, and now there's only 2. So one's done a runner, but which one is it? Hear nothing, see nothing, or say nothing. You tell me. Which one's disappeared? Hotel Troya over there. And lovely beach, Playa. Palm Beach Shopping Centre, which is underneath the complex. You can actually access the apartments stroke hotel through the end without going right round the ramp on the other side. I'm sure you know that. There used to be timeshare, but no longer. Over there, what we got? We got the Night Owl, Lamborghini, Chili's, loads and loads of places. So, eating, drinking, and entertainment. Can you see a sunbed? Looks to me like everyone's taken. What do you reckon? Good grief, this is how busy it is today. Over we go. Yeah, very nice, isn't it? This particular beach, Playa. And here we have the train. Ba-bump, ba-bump. Yes, I bet they know about that. Have you been on the train before? Let me know. Over there is Koala Bay. And I'll get you a quick view over here as well at the swimming pool of the Troya Hotel. So down here a bit further. So there you go then, folk. I'm Tenerife Tez. I'd like to thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.